Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, November 25th. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and today we are going to be looking at the FTSE. This is a 30 minutes chart, UK index. Now we can see right here we ended with 1 in the intermediate degree here. So now correcting in the wave 2. Now the correction in the wave 2 is in the form of a zigzag here, AB, and looking for a C leg as long as the rally here fails below 74.03 right here. So within the A, we can see a clear what looks to be like an impulse, 5 waves down, with the divergence right here. You can see the momentum is diverging on the wave 5, which is typical. So we do have extension on the third wave, divergence on the fifth wave. So it basically confirms the indication it is a 5 waves down. So now we got this rally, which looks to be in the form of another zigzag. So we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending A here, and then this is the B. So now we could potentially do a C leg into the 100% extension right here, 73.55, 73.81, where the rally can then fail since this is a 5 ways down, and then from here we might turn lower into the C leg. Okay, so let's take a look, zooming out to see where we are. And now remember, this is 5 of 1 here. So right here we got the 5 of 1. Let me put it here, 5 of 1. Okay, and so we're talking basically the cycle that started from September 20th here, right? September 20th. From there we have a 5 ways up, ended this with 5 here, right? Something like this, and now we should be correcting as an ABC like what we saw earlier in the 1 hour chart. So this is your A, and we look to be in the B with possible leg lower again, C like so, before potentially we can resume higher again, right? So that will be the idea here. So overall, if you look at it from the larger degree, then it is actually still bullish, expecting another leg higher, because you cannot be bearish if the peak is with 1, right? So the right side still remains higher, and pullback still continues to be finding support. Now, alternate. Now the alternate, one possible alternate is the idea that, and why it is less likely also, the idea that this is actually your 3 and this is your 4, and we go higher. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go higher like this, like so, and break to the upside to be ending with 5. Now why would this be less preferable compared to what we have? Well, couple of things. One being that this one looks impulsive, like we saw earlier, right? It looks impulsive here. Now when you look at the FTSE, I think it is still possible to count it like this. Let's check out to see if we can do the same thing with other indices, right? So sometimes you do need to look at other indices as well, right? Let's see, DAX for example. I'm not sure what the DAX symbol is. Yeah, it's the right symbol here. Now if you look at the DAX here, okay, hold on, let me double check here. Alright, so the symbol is this one. Now let me go to the 4-hour chart now. Now if you take a look at the DAX here, I don't think there is any doubt, looking at this pullback, that the cycle is over, right? The cycle is clearly over. Look at the size of the pullback. So the cycle from October is clearly finished. You can draw a trend line here, and you can turn the channel, it breaks. So the DAX is saying the cycle is over. Now in the FTSE, you might still sort of argue whether it is finished or not finished, in the 4-hour. as we saw earlier, right? But I think it is pretty clear in the DAX that it is finished. So in the FTSE, you might still argue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the DAX is saying this cycle is clearly over, but with the size of the pullback. Okay, so all in all, then I think the idea that other indices seems to be finished with the cycle, the same cycle that started from late September, early October, and the idea that the FTSE looks like a 5 ways down from the peak, that suggests that the better count, or the count that we prefer right now, is another leg lower later on after the rally here is finished. Okay, so that's the update for today, and as always, if you do want to get regular updates on the stock indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. We also currently run a promotion on the Black Friday, and so you can get a 2-for-1 promotion, which is practically it's a 50% promotion. So I'll put all the links in the description of the video below. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.